units and tens with Montessori cards. We're going to learn how to read numbers. Let's start with something we already know. How do you say this number? 3, 30, 3, and 0, 300. 30. Perfect! This number is 30. But what happens if we add a cube? We call the number shown by the blocks now 31 because it's made from 30 and 1 unit. Let's look at another example. We're going to help Robbie price the cakes. This cake costs $94, so we have to select the card with 90 on it and the card with 4 on it. And the cake is ready to sell. 94. Now it's your turn. Select the cards that match the number that appears above. 73. Great! That's the end of tens and units with Montessori cards tutorial. Now practice with the activities.